Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going over my February kits for my memory sticker planner. It's Valentine's all month long and I'm really excited to play with some of this. We have new and old in here, so let's get straight into the kit lineup with February 2nd through February 8th. And I'm starting off strong with Paper Galentine, and this was the exclusive art that I did for SPC this year, which was like a junk journaling Galentine's art, because I'm not going to be going to like a journaling event or doing Galentine's or anything. Well, I didn't, this is in the past. But I really love the way this art came out, and I think it's so cute, and I definitely wanted to use this, especially with the colors and everything. And I'm going to pair this with this pink foil from SPC. This is a warm, sparkly pink, which I think goes well tone-wise with this one. Yeah, because this is like my last one of these soft, warm pinks, but I feel like I've used this one a lot. The rest of my pink foils from SPC are like a bluer, cooler pink. So excited to have one of these left to pair with this one, and I like that it's sparkly and also the warm pink, so we'll really get the full pink effect in this first week of Feb, and it'll really contrast against the very cool end of January here as well. Then February 9th through the February 15th, I went into my collection and I had this Like a Rose from SPC. This was one of my, not last year, that was Cherry, so this was maybe my 2024 art for Valentine's, although I would have drawn it the year before, so the end of 2023. But yeah, I had this still in my collection. I think I may have used the Caress Press version, because I was buying both of them, like a Caress Press and the SPC versions back in the day. So I had this in my collection. I thought I'll use this for actual Valentine's week. I still really love this art, it's so pretty. And Like a Rose was a name of an A1 song that I was listening to a lot when I was drawing this. I still love that song. So I'm going to be pairing this. I think last time I used it, I used a pink foil. So I'm going to use this Champagne Lights. She doesn't have the name on this one. I think it's just Sparkle. But Champagne Lights foil bundle from SPC, because we do have the gold accents in the kit, and I think the sparkliness continues on with the holiday fun, and I think it'll be really nice to see it different to when I previously used it with pink foil. So looking forward to seeing that with gold. And then February 16th to February 22, and this was the beginning of Lunar New Year. And I'm finally using a Lunar New Year kit. This was Echoes of Yore, which was like my Chinese inspired art that I got in my last haul. Not last haul, but I guess it depends when you're going to see this video. Last haul for when I'm filming this right now, but I'm filming my January kit lineup and my Feb kit lineup at the same time right now. So another haul may have just happened between you actually seeing these, because I got to do the January plan with me's, of course. But yeah, so I recently got this and I'm so happy to use this, and yeah, so excited. So I have all of this foil from Caress Press. She did a Lunar New Year bundle in both gold and red, and I think I'm going to mix these together. I think I'll probably go more for the gold, but I want to do touches of the red as well, like maybe these red lanterns and things. Yeah, I'm going to mix the gold and the red together because I do have these options. And then if I use the toolbox, I have a gold toolbox overlay from SPC in case I wanted to use that one. I think it's here on the last page. I guess we'll see. But I have it there just in case. But yeah, I'm going to do the gold and the red together. This is a much softer red in the set, so that's why I don't know if I want to use too much red. But I do want to include little touches of it, and I might as well have it available since I have both foil bundles. So that's for that. But obviously it went through to the next week, but I think this is the week it started, I'm pretty sure. And then for the final week of February 23rd to March 1st, I'm going to continue on because I still wanted to use another Valentine's set. There wasn't that much else I wanted to use this month, which is why I pulled in my old Like a Rose one and just extended Valentine's throughout. Plus this is sort of a single girl Valentine's set. This is Heartbreaker, my new shop art for this year. And I just love the way this came out. I think it'll be so cool for the end of Feb. And it's very monochrome, but I didn't have any pink foils in my collection anymore, foil bundles that would go with this shade of pink. I did have a hot pink one from SPC, but left over. I have like 3 pink foil bundles left, you guys. I need to like up my collection again or what for this year because I'm getting through my collection, but it was too cool toned. It didn't quite match this like shade of hot pink. So I have just pulled out a simple black sparkle bundle, although the bottom washi is also black. So I guess we will see. I might have a look and see what's available still on the SPC website, and if there's a warm hot pink there, I might just I might just like if I'm gonna get it and then I'm gonna see if it's available, and if I can get it, then I will just leave off some of this. Like I think I'm still gonna use the black underlays and stuff. So I might not just complete it, or I might even get that in the mail before I do this spread. But just know I kind of want to add a hot pink foil into this, at least for like the bottom washi, especially because it's black. And I don't love the black on black. It won't stand out as much, but especially with this shade of black and this black foil, because I don't know if it has any. This is just hollow, I think, or just black. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I didn't really have a pink foil that match this shade, so we'll see what I can get. But otherwise I guess I'll just stick with black if I can, or I'll buy a bottom washi strip from like Plan Hannah or something. We will see. But I guess we'll see in the Plan With Me or future hauls, depending on what comes first or what I do here. But that was my last kit for Feb, and I'm pretty happy with the lineup. This time it ended up being all my art, which I didn't intend that, but that's just what I have in my collection at the moment, and I definitely wanted to like use a lot of the new stuff as soon as I could, just because I'm really enjoying it right now. But yeah, so let me know, are we twinning at all in Feb, or what kind of foil pairings would you have done or have done? Let me know your opinions down below. I'm looking forward to Feb. I do love a full Valentine's Feb, even though I don't really celebrate it that much, like as a big holiday thing. But I think the art always is some of my favorite every year. So yeah, let me know down below. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe. We can now do our February Plan With Me's, so let's get into it. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. I love you. Bye bye.